size, power, not so much thought. Chris has just got that dog in him.
I fancy myself, to be fair.
Which one of your teammates would win a Royal Rumble?
Royal Rumble. It's got to be Sainty, hasn't it? Big boy.
I think it'd be a toss-up between Will Richards and Callum Sainty.
Not Ben Fawcett. He'd come last. Fawcett would definitely lose. He'd be first out.
Watsy's a bit of a tank, I go with him.
Ricky Watts. Machine.
Oh, there's a couple of nasty ones in there.
I said Davide. He just looks like the nutter.
Probably a big David, the goalkeeper. He can handle himself. He's a big lad.
David, goalkeeper, crazy.
Probably going to have to go Cal. He's just a bit of a nutter, really.
Joelie's a bit of a boxer, so I wouldn't want to mess with Jolie, to be honest.
I'm going to say CJ, not because of his power and that, but more his durability. I think he'll just somehow stay there all day.
I'd like to go Cal. I feel like he goes under the radar a bit, but I reckon he's got a bit in him. I haven't seen it, but that's my thoughts.